Hello. For treating the chainsaw wound, I'm using Udder Balm. I kind of put that on any cuts, or it's the Homestead Farms magic elixir for almost anything. So, cut related or sores. So just dousing her down with this. This is would be day 2 after the cut. This is Monday at about 4, or excuse me, this is Wednesday about 4 o'clock, and I was cut by the chainsaw Monday about 2 o'clock. So there we go, all doped up. There's the Udder Balm that I use. I've got a couple different types that I like, but this one, for especially on this now when it's real sore and it's been leaking a bunch of pus, so that way it just kind of soaks in and helps tenderize, and it's very sore on those stitches where they're at. So that's where we're at. See what happens by tomorrow. Looks like it's definitely soaking in pretty good, pretty fast already. It really feels a whole lot better just after coating it with that.